Have you ever dreamed of having a giant movie screen all to yourself? Well, with the MetaQuest 3, that dream can become a reality. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to transform your Quest 3 into the ultimate home theater. We'll be diving into the best apps, exploring cool features, and helping you create the perfect cinematic experience, all from the comfort of your couch. So, grab your popcorn, put on your headset, and get ready to take movie night to a whole new level. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome VR content. We've got tons of tips, tricks, and reviews to help you get the most out of your MetaQuest. 1. Streaming apps. MetaQuest TV. This built-in platform offers access to popular streaming services like Netflix, Prime Video VR, and Pluto TV. Imagine yourself transported to a world where you can watch your favorite movies on a giant virtual screen in a customizable theater environment. Curate your ideal movie-watching experience. Choose from a variety of virtual theaters, each designed to transport you to a different location. Relax in a virtual living room with a crackling fireplace, a futuristic space station with a panoramic view of the cosmos, or even a beachside cabana with the gentle sound of waves lapping at the shore. Sink into the plush comfort of a virtual armchair, grab some virtual popcorn, and get ready to be immersed in your favorite films and shows in stunning detail. MetaQuest TV brings the magic of the cinema right into your living room, creating a truly personalized and unforgettable movie-watching experience. YouTube VR. Dive into the vast world of VR content on YouTube VR. Explore a wide range of 3D and 180-degree VR videos, from breathtaking travel documentaries to hilarious comedy sketches. You can even find full-length VR concerts and movie trailers, giving you a taste of what it's like to be right in the middle of the action. Disney Plus VR. If you're a Disney fan, you'll be thrilled to know that Disney Plus VR is rumored to be in the works. This app would allow you to step into your favorite Disney and Pixar stories, explore iconic locations, and interact with beloved characters in a whole new way. Imagine soaring through the skies alongside Buzz Lightyear, or swimming alongside Dory in the Great Barrier Reef. The possibilities are endless. 2. Standalone VR apps. Big Screen VR. This app goes beyond just watching movies in VR. It creates a virtual environment that lets you feel like you're in a real movie theater. You can choose from a variety of different virtual theaters, each with its own unique atmosphere. Want to curl up on a comfy couch in a cozy home theater? No problem. Or maybe you're looking for a more social experience? Big Screen VR also has virtual theaters with multiple seats, so you can watch movies with friends from all over the world. And if you're feeling indecisive, Big Screen VR even has a public theater option where you can join a virtual screening with other random viewers. No matter your preference, Big Screen VR has a virtual environment that's perfect for you. Skybox VR. Another popular option for watching movies and TV shows in VR is Skybox VR. This app lets you watch your personal media files that are stored on your phone or computer, or you can stream content from various sources like YouTube or Twitch. Skybox VR also offers a unique feature called Pass-Through Mode. This mode allows you to see your real-world surroundings while keeping the movie playing in a virtual window. This can be helpful for things like checking the time or grabbing a snack without having to take off your headset completely. Skybox VR is a versatile app that gives you a lot of control over your VR viewing experience. 3. Other options. Virtual desktop. This app lets you stream your entire PC screen to the Quest 3, essentially turning it into a wireless monitor. This gives you access to any movie streaming service or media player that you have installed on your PC. Imagine kicking back in your favorite virtual theater environment and pulling up your favorite movie streaming service on the big virtual screen. With Virtual Desktop, you're not limited to the selection of apps available on the MetaQuest TV store. You can access your entire PC library, giving you a wider variety of content to choose from. This is especially useful if you have a large collection of digital movies or prefer to use a specific media player that isn't available on the Quest 3. Virtual Desktop also allows you to access other PC applications and games, so you can use your Quest 3 for more than just watching movies. DOVR. This app focuses on 360-degree videos, which can create a truly immersive movie experience. Unlike traditional videos that have a fixed perspective, 360-degree videos allow you to look around in all directions, feeling like you're right in the middle of the action. DOVR offers a wide variety of 360-degree content, including movies, documentaries, and travel videos. Imagine exploring the Great Barrier Reef or taking a virtual hike through the Himalayas, all from the comfort of your living room. DOVR also supports stereoscopic 3D video, which can add an extra layer of depth and realism to your viewing experience. Tips for the ultimate home theater experience. Invest in a good head strap. A comfortable head strap will make those long movie marathons more enjoyable. Lighting. Dim the lights in your room to enhance the immersion. Bluetooth headphones. Wireless headphones provide a cleaner and more immersive audio experience. External battery pack. Extend your viewing time by using an external battery pack to power your Quest 3. Remember, this is all based on educated guesses about the Quest 3. We'll have to wait for the official release to see exactly what features it offers and which apps are compatible. But with the right setup, the Quest 3 has the potential to be an amazing home theater experience. All right, movie buffs, that's all we have for turning your Meta Quest 3 into the ultimate home theater. We hope you're ready for epic movie nights in VR. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what kind of movies you'll be watching first. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button and smash the like button if you enjoyed this video. We release new VR content all the time, so stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and reviews to take your VR experience to the next level. Thanks for watching.